Just 3.3% of all new cars registered in 2017 were electric or hybrids, though industry insiders remain confident that the nation is on course to meet the CCC's 2030 deadline. The climate watchdog said on Wednesday that homes will also need to be built to a higher standard in order to meet the targets, saying that the clean growth strategy must be translated urgently into action. The report did highlight that the UK has made good progress in reducing its greenhouse gas emissions since the Climate Change Act was passed in 2008, with the emissions falling by 42% between 1990 and 2016, faster than the average rate of reduction in the G7. That would be a rapid rise from the state of play currently, with just 119,821 electric, plug-in hybrid and conventional hybrid cars registered last term. Extended forecasts by the charge post provider also suggest that nearly 1 in 4 new vehicles will be electric by 2025, with plug-in cars making up around half of all registrations by 2027 and 60% 3 years later, meeting the CCC's demands. It added that the current trajectory on electric car sales indicated that it is likely that virtually every car on UK roads will be a zero-emissions vehicle by 2040. Advice from the committee is being presented like a policy change, when in fact the 2040 deadline remains in place, Mr. Hines said. We know from reports across the industry that consumers are keeping their hands in their pockets until guidance is clearer on both traditional and alternatively fueled vehicles. That said, we know the desire from motorists is there for a 2030 cutoff to switch to cleaner, more sustainable fuel sources. 18% of car owners are looking to go electric or hybrid in the next 2 years. In contrast, Scotland had 775 new public chargers installed in 2017 through the Charge Place Scotland scheme,